Judge Butler v. Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Now let's get started on this courtroom drama. The court notices Mr. Daniels' presence and is ready to hear his case when he makes an uncommon move and voluntarily requests to be placed on child support. Why this is even more intriguing. This case is about a father assuming responsibility to guarantee his child's well-being. When the mother is missing, things take an unexpected turn. The child's mother failed to appear, raising doubts about her involvement in the child's upbringing. Let's observe how the judge responds to this particular circumstance.
I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to be being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Mr. Daniel explains why he wants to ensure that his child has financial support. The judge inquires further about the mother's history, since he feels that her lack of attendance at court speaks volumes about her degree of devotion. Mr. Daniel clarifies that although they were never wed, he made an effort to act morally, but the mother took a different route. Although there is a lot of tension in this case, one thing is certain. This is a father battling for his child's future. The fact that he voluntarily applied for child support shows his dedication even in the face of controversy. His irritation is evident, but so is his determination to do what is best for his son.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the arena football league that I play in. So I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay. So it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation. Okay. So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay. And you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So 67,000. Well, let me ask you this. Who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay. How much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
The magistrate changes. Asking Mr. Daniels about his income and whether he provides health insurance for his child, the judge breaks down the financial details. He acknowledges that money is tight and that he is currently a third-string player in the Arena Football League. The judge explains that child support is determined by income regardless of his employment status. But since Mr. Daniels has health insurance, this slightly lowers his obligation. This illustrates how the system operates, with the judge making it clear that child support is about the needs of the child and not personal circumstances. Because of her straightforward approach, the computations are fair and transparent. eliminating any possibility of misunderstanding.
That, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available for help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge pronounces her decision. Given his income and health insurance contributions, Mr. Daniels will pay $871.46 in child support each month. She stresses that this amount is fixed and determined by his wages alone. The choice is accepted by Mr. Daniels, although it is evident that he is considering how to balance his personal EXP expenses with his child's requirements. Despite her solemn message, the judge lightens the scene by making a joke about finding him a decent baby mother. The judge emphasizes the value of responsibility in co-parenting both financially and emotionally as the case comes to a close, and this decision guarantees his child's financial security. Mr. Daniels departs with the knowledge that he stood up for his child, demonstrating that doing the right thing is needed, even though it's not always simple.
Episode of the Daniels case. So the interesting thing about his case, he placed himself on child support. He actually petitioned to the court to put him on child support. That's very unique because you don't see that very often, but you are able to do that on your own. If you want to put yourself on child support, you are more than welcome to do so. Actually, I would recommend that you do it because then you don't have to worry about getting hit with back pay later on because you never paid child support for your child from the beginning. So, teachable moment for you guys.
From a legal standpoint, this case stands out because Mr. Daniels voluntarily placed himself on child support. A rare but commendable move. A legal expert explains that doing so can prevent back pay issues and ensures the child's needs are met right. A way this serves as a powerful reminder that child support isn't just about legal obligations. It's about taking responsibility for your child's well-being. The video ends with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their own experience, expenses, and subscribe for more legal insights. This case perfectly illustrates how the court prioritizes the child's best interests even when one parent is absent. The educational takeaway is clear. Proactive parenting and understanding, the legal system protects your child's future.